Okay, what we have here is a 1996 Mercedes E320 W210 chassis. The issue we had with this car was a no start. We could get it to crank over, and if we sprayed carb cleaner into the intake, we would end up with it catching for a second, but then it would die out right away. We flushed fuel lines, we flushed fuel tank, we checked everything. He even pulled off the fuel pump and tested it with a direct current from a battery, which on this vehicle is located on the driver's side under the rear passenger seat. The issue we had was we were not getting power to the fuel pump from the car. So what my son did, which I'm not too comfortable with, but he did it. As you can see, there are wires connected to the ends of the fuel pump, and they run all the way out and into the rear passenger side to a car battery. He attaches it, and if we'll be able to hear it, let's see if the pump, we can hear it kick on. Click the switch. You have to turn the key. Maybe not? Well, you can't hear it kick on, but it is kicking on. The car starts. When he disconnected it from the battery, the car will die. He ran it all the way through to the driver's side to a toggle switch that makes it so that he has to manually turn on the fuel pump for the car to run. Without that switch, the car dies. So, that being said, we looked and we looked and we looked, and we could not find the fuel pump relay fuse, which for most other cars is pretty standard.
Freaking square.
But this one is actually located in this box, and there's a module that runs here, and it has a couple fuses on it and a big 40. It's called the K40 control module. That will be the problem if you're having a no start after you've troubleshooted everything else. We've been racking our brains on it. We finally went over to a Mercedes specialist, and he was talking to us about it, and I had figured it was this module to begin with, which he's going to open it up so you can get a better look. Okay, so he's opened it up. This is your K40 module, and he just pulled the whole thing out. But anyways, that sucker acts as, among other things, your fuel pump relay. So when it goes bad, which I guess these cars are notorious for going bad, then that's what your no start issue could be from. Great, he's breaking it now because he's in a hurry. But anyways, not that it's already broke. But as you can see, I don't know if you can tell on this.
This one?
Yeah, you can see how this one here is a little bit darker than that one. That's darker. That's darker. That's dark, and that's pretty vibrant.
These are burnt up.
These ones are burnt up. This is the one that, the fuel relay one. Obviously, you can tell it's pretty worn out. So, have fun with it. I hope this helps out a bit, because we have been boggling our minds trying to figure out what the hell the issue could be with this particular car. I've been on all the forums. I've looked everywhere I could, and I couldn't get anything that would help me specifically pinpoint where to go, what to do, what to look at. Not being able to find that stupid fuel pump relay was a big issue. Normally, you know, they're big, square, bulky things, and, you know, I wasn't finding it, so now you know. Give it a shot. If this helps, good luck. Have fun with it. Hey, and by the way, we only paid $100 for this car, so I think,
A steal.
yeah, I think we made a pretty good deal.
It's a steal. It's a steal to us. But if you ask a professional Mercedes guy, they'll say it's not.
Yeah, they say it's a money pit, but he's 16 years old. This is what he's going to be driving until
minus my Ford right
minus his POS Ford.
Hey, that thing can run.
It runs, except for the dents and stuff he's already put in it. But hey, 16, he's got 2 vehicles. Go boy.